this is Sanjaleeta. Welcome to my channel. And as you can see, I don't have any makeup on. Well, I do have makeup on, but not a lot. Anyway, so I was getting ready and something kept telling me, hey, why don't you record this look? Why don't you record this look? So I said, okay, I might as well then. Today's Halloween, and for fun, my husband and I are just going to dress up as superheroes, you know, and just pass out candy to the neighborhood kids. We have a lot of little kids in our neighborhood, so last year I kind of felt bad. We just turned off the lights and, you know, didn't open the door, and the little ones, you know, dressed up so cute in their little fairy costumes and little lions and tigers, and yeah. So anyway, so I said this year let's just pass out some candy. I mean, it's innocent, it's not gonna hurt. We don't celebrate Halloween, but we're just doing it for the kids and just show love and friendliness to our neighbors. So anyways, I already got my foundation on, and you guys know the foundation I use most of the time is by Too Faced. It's Born This Way by Too Faced. My concealer is Cover FX. I already have that on, and I have my powder on, which is Smashbox. So yeah, so we're gonna go through this hopefully really fast, and we'll get through this together. So you are gonna watch me transform into Wonder Woman. I got a last minute costume, a cheap costume too, so it doesn't look, I don't know, like some of your guys' professional videos out there, some of these YouTubers, but hey, it's Wonder Woman, who cares? You know, like I said, I don't really celebrate Halloween, so I'm just doing this for fun. So anyways, let's get right into it. I'm gonna try not to talk, that way we can get through this fast like I've been doing with my other videos, and I'll just show you what I'm using. All right, this is how we're gonna be passing out candy, and I will take more pictures. Yeah, that's my muscles. See, this is what happens when you work out. You get nice toned muscle arms, small waist when you're carnivore. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, see my tank top. But yeah, so this was in a size medium woman's. So yeah, so it all worked out. It fit just fine, you know, surprisingly. And well, I shouldn't be surprised, you know, I watch what I eat. And like I said, I only eat meat, so I'm carnivore. And with carnivore, I noticed I get a smaller waist, which is pretty cool. So, and I don't even work out that much. All I do is cardio, and not even cardio. All I do is walk on the treadmill. That's all I do, nothing more. I just walk at 2.2. The treadmill is not even elevated, so nothing. I just walk at 2.2. Got a couple of friends that come by my side, and we just chit chat away, and yeah, that's all I do. I used to lift weights and do all that crazy stuff, but with my immune system issue, it's not working out really good. So every time I lift weights, my joints hurt really bad, and just gets inflammation, and just not a good thing to have to deal with, you know, waking up to that pain. So why put your body through that pain when, you know, there's other things you could do, like watch what you eat. So, and that's what I do, and like I said, I'm carnivore. So yep, so this is the look. Let me know what you guys think. Like I said, I'm glad I recorded, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. I mean, like I said, I'm not making these videos for me, I'm making them for you guys. And today I'm Wonder Woman, so I'm demanding you guys subscribe if you want. I'm just playing around. But anyways, yeah, so I'm pretty much done doing all the Halloween costume tutorials. Like I said,